Have you ever reached the end of the month and wondered, where did my money go? You didn't make any huge purchases, you weren't reckless, and yet your bank account tells a different story. If that sounds familiar, you're not bad with money, you're just missing a plan. Today, we're going to talk about zero-based budgeting, a simple but powerful method that helps you tell every dollar exactly where to go before it disappears. Welcome to First Step Finance, where we take big money topics and turn them into simple, clear steps. I'm your money mentor, and if you're ready to feel calm, confident, and in control of your finances, you're in the right place. Part 1. What zero-based budgeting really means. Let's clear something up right away. Zero-based budgeting does not mean you spend all your money. It means you give every dollar a job. When your income minus your expenses equals zero, it simply means every dollar is assigned. Whether that job is rent, groceries, savings, debt payoff, or even fun. Instead of wondering where your money went, you decide in advance where it will go. That shift alone can change how you feel about money. You stop reacting and start leading. Imagine your money as a team of workers. If you don't give them instructions, they wander off. Zero-based budgeting is you standing up and saying, "All right, everyone, here's your assignment." Part 2. Why this method works for beginners. Most people fail at budgeting because it feels restrictive or overwhelming. Zero-based budgeting is different because it's intentional. It asks one simple question: what do I want my money to do for me? This is where mindfulness comes in. When you assign your dollars, you're forced to reflect. Do I really value eating out, or do I value peace of mind? Do I want short-term comfort or long-term freedom? I once worked with someone who felt constantly anxious about money, even though they made decent income. When they tried zero-based budgeting, they realized their money wasn't the problem. Lack of clarity was. Once every dollar had a purpose, their stress dropped almost immediately. Clarity creates calm. Part 3. How to create a zero-based budget, step by step. Let's walk through this in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Step 1. List your monthly income. This is your take-home pay after taxes. If your income varies, use your lowest average month. We're building stability, not stress. Step 2. List your fixed expenses. Rent, utilities, phone, insurance, anything that stays mostly the same. Step 3. Add variable expenses. Groceries, gas, eating out, entertainment. Be honest. This is about awareness, not judgment. Step 4. Add savings and debt. Emergency fund, credit cards, student loans, these get jobs too. Savings is not leftover, it's intentional. Step 5. Subtract until you hit zero. If you have money left, assign it. If you're over, adjust. The goal is balance. This is where people have a breakthrough. You start to see patterns, you start to see choices, and most importantly, you start to see control. Part 4. The emotional shift. Zero-based budgeting isn't just a money system, it's a mindset shift. Instead of saying, I can't afford that, you start saying that's not my priority. That's powerful, that's ownership. You stop feeling guilty and start feeling grounded. You stop guessing and start deciding. You stop drifting and start directing. And here's the beautiful part. When your spending aligns with your values, money becomes a tool instead of a source of stress. One viewer once told me, "For the first time, I feel like my money is working with me instead of against me." That's the goal. Part 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's keep it real. Beginners often make these mistakes. Being too strict. If you don't budget for fun, you'll quit. Forgetting irregular expenses, car repairs, gifts, annual fees, plan for them. Not adjusting. Your budget isn't a rule book, it's a guide. Progress beats perfection every time. Closing. Your first step starts now. Zero-based budgeting isn't about controlling every penny, it's about freeing your mind, it's about knowing that your bills are covered, your goals are funded, and your future is being built intentionally. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, behind, or unsure, let this be your reset, let this be your first step. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be intentional, and that changes everything.